Hi everyone, I'm Sherry and welcome to Make It Spring with Walmart. Today I'm going to make a plant stand out of a crate and some other things I got at Walmart. Let's get started. For this project we're going to need an assortment of apple barrel acrylic paints, 1.5 inch brush, a number 10 brush, some masking tape, Aleene's wood glue, we'll need 2 rolling pins, and lastly a wooden crate. First step, we're going to tape off the inside of the crate. Next step is to paint the bottom of the crate. For the bottom of the crate, I'm using peachy pink. So I painted the inside of the crate and I also painted the back of the crate. And now I'm going to show you how to paint the chevron pattern on the side of the crate. So I'm beginning with yellow flame and just starting up at the top and just doing quick little motions up and down with the brush, kind of making a W. Now I'm using Snow White and I'm going to blend it in as I go with the yellow. The next color I'm going to use is the peachy pink. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to continue this W pattern. I'm going to pick up some more Snow White and start going in between the yellow flame and the peachy pink. The next color I'm going to use is pumpkin orange. So I've painted all the sides with my design, and now I'm going to show you how to take this rolling pin and make it into legs. So furniture legs can be expensive sometimes. So I went to Walmart and I bought 2 of these rolling pins and I cut them down with my miter saw and I made these legs out of this rolling pin. So now I'm going to glue them onto the plant stand. So that's it. Now that we're finished, all that we have to do is decorate. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.